Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, Shell's Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a September sewing plans video. So I'll be talking about everything I plan on sewing for the month of September. And it's very unusual of me to do sewing plans because I am a very sporadic, random type of sewer. I'm very unpredictable with what I want to sew next, but I decided in order to get through some of my patterns, I probably should make a plan, a plans video, or just make a plan of what I make a list of what I plan on sewing. I doubt I'll be able to commit to this every month because some months I do see myself probably wanting to be more creative and more random with what I choose to sew. But for the month of September, I did have a few things that I just wanted to get accomplished. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'll be talking about is what I've already started on. It is the square neck top by Friday Pattern Company. I have the pattern right here, and it is listed as an easy pattern, and it is intended for knit fabrics, but you can also use it with a woven according to their Instagram. So I do see myself sewing this up as a woven as well. Very easy, very simple. I'm almost done with mine. I've just been delaying the last step, which is to tack down the facing of the top with by hand stitching. So yeah, but I just use this knit fabric right here that I got from Cali Fabrics. Really simple. I like the color as well. I can just see this being a very easy top to just throw on whenever. So yeah, that's one of the makes that I've already semi-accomplished for the month of September. Next I have the Tilly and the Buttons Joni dress that I plan on sewing. I plan on sewing another one for my mom because I have sewn this dress for her before. And for anybody who's watching, if you don't know the pattern, here it is right here. It's an easy pattern. I think it's better for it. It's more suited for advanced beginners or beginners. It's not very difficult, but if you want a little challenge for yourself, I'd say go for it, especially with the cool tie detail right there in the middle, with the knot, the tie knot detail, the knot detail, whatever. Okay, yeah, this from Tilly and the Button Stretch. So yeah, y'all check this book out if you don't have it. Highly recommend it. I think so many people in the sewing community have this book because it's just awesome. So yeah, that's what I plan on sewing, and I'll show you the fabric. And I actually had some of my followers on Instagram vote on the fabric that I wanted to use, and I have the fabric right here, and it is a poly knit that I got from Cali Fabrics, and I will link the video up top, so if you want to check out that video, feel free. But I do talk about that fabric there. But it's this really pretty print, the floral print with the turquoise background. Really pretty. Yeah, and thank you all if you voted. Thank you so much for voting. I really appreciate it. That was really fun. Okay, so next I plan on sewing, or the next thing I plan on sewing are the lander pants right here. I've already cut out the fabric for it, and I have it right here. And it is a bottom weight chambray. I think the recommended fabrics are medium to heavy bottom weight fabrics with little to no stretch, such as twill, linen, corduroy, and denim. So I'm technically cheating. I'm using a chambray, but I hope it gives me the same results. Y'all wish me luck. I've never sewn a proper pair of pants, like a sophisticated pair of pants, which is what I consider these. I've sewn leggings before, I've sewn jumpsuits, but I've never sewn pants that had like to be fitted a certain way. So wish me luck, y'all. Yeah, so here's the fabric like I just mentioned. Yeah, that's all I have to say on that. We'll see how I do. Next, this is the last thing I plan on sewing in the month of September. It is a bralette from Simplicity A711. It is by Madeline. She's a Simplicity designer, and she designs undergarments, and this is the bralette pattern that I plan on sewing. I actually ordered the bralette kit, so I'm excited to get it. I've never sewn undergarments before. I kind of want to sew this because I feel like it'll give me like some use, some practice before I sew a swimsuit, because I think this is good like practice to sew up a swimsuit. But yeah, I love the way it looks. I'm excited for my kit to come in the mail. I actually ordered the one that looks just like this. So yeah, I'm focusing on sewing that bralette, and I've never sewn a bralette either, so again, yo, wish me luck. But anyways, that's all I plan on sewing for the month of September. If I squeeze in a little more room, I might sew something else. Don't know, but we shall see. If I don't get through all of these, I'll just push it into the next month. No pressure, okay? Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in following me on social media, feel free. My Instagram is Shell's Hearts Art, like my name. Anyways, have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.